Welcome back to economics learning. Today we discuss critical appraisal of dual or two gap model. Accordingly, most of its criticism is against the assumption as well. Now we discuss them. First one is strict and stringent assumption. In the dual gap analysis, it has been assumed that the growth of saving cannot be substituted for the foreign exchange shortage, as both the gaps and are supposed to be and independent to each other. Accordingly, in the light of this theorem, it will be no use to raise the saving for the attainment of desired growth rate. Does it mean that underdeveloping countries should not make endeavor to boost their saving for the sake of their economic growth? Surely not. If they are unable to boost their export, they must try to enhance their saving to compensate for shortage of foreign exchange. Second point is the constancy of core or saving ratio. This theory assumes that the values of core or saving ratio remain the same. Perhaps these strict assumptions may be true in context with Harrod-Domer model, as it assumes that a fixed amount of capital has to be employed to produce a specific level of output, but because of time lags, lack of financial resources, and temporary increase in demand for goods on the part of the consumer may not necessarily lead to increase the demand for capital goods. In such situation, the value of marginal core will be less than average core. Moreover, because of changes in marginal costs and marginal productivities of capital, the value of core can be made flexible. Again, with the change in the level and distribution of income, etc., the value of saving ratio may also change. Moreover, this theory is of view that these both gaps would be filled up with the FR only, but this theory does not tell us how the transformation will occur in the economy through FR. Third point is export promotion and import substitution policies. In order to promote foreign exchange earning through boosting export, the export drive measures can be adopted, while to reduce the demand for import, hence foreign exchange requirement as well as foreign aid, the import substitution measures can be followed. Thus, the dual gap theory ignores the role of both the places, which draws in a crucial importance after the marvelous growth rate attained by Asian tigers through EP and IS strategies. Fourth point is capital investment is not homogeneous. This theory also assumes that the nature of all the types of the investment remain the same. But this hypothesis is not true, as in the underdeveloping countries the investment is required for certain other objectives there, whereas most of the foreign aid is derived to agri and industry like sectors of underdeveloping countries. It means to say that the sectors of underdeveloping countries where capital investment is required and where foreign aid is being supplied may differ. Last point, fifth, is estimation may be misleading. The beauty of this model lies in this fact that it can be employed to assess the requirements of foreign aid, but practically it is very difficult to make estimation regarding import requirements, saving ratios, export potential, and foreign exchange earning. The improper estimation and projections may thwart growth rate targets, etc. Thanks for watching.